Hey, so life happened at the end of the fall 2025 growing season, and I did absolutely no maintenance for my yard or garden prior to it getting cold and the whole growing season ending. So, what I'm doing here is I'm documenting and showing, all the things I didn't do and how I'm going to go ahead and fix them here in the early February and over the next couple of months. You'll see there, the lantana never got cut back. All sorts of things never got put away. It is what it is, but we're going to fix it. But the good news is, here in mid-February, we are starting to see signs of life. These are my camellias. They actually blossomed at the beginning of January. Then we had a really bad freeze. They all died, and now they're getting ready to bloom again. So that's exciting. And here we've got some volunteer onions that I moved around and replanted. But you can see here that we have some signs of life. Things are starting to come up. That's really exciting. And I think one of the coolest things here in mid-February, we actually have a dandelion. So, see, really exciting. Woohoo! Signs of life, signs of spring. So, we're going to do a couple of videos documenting what I'm doing to get us ready for spring and how I'm going to dig my garden out. Oh, yeah, and I forgot to bring in my my glass water dish, and so yeah, that shattered, but it is what it is. Started new in the spring. Thanks, y'all. See you tomorrow.